Dandruff? I don't have dandruff.
What if meron?
Wala.
Meron.
Wala.
Meron! Oo. Oo.
No, I don't, bro. I don't have dandruff.
Pagdating ko sa
No, I don't really.
may mga sprinkles.
Let's see if I have that.
Totoo! Hindi mo naman yan makita. Ganunin mo. Ganunin mo.
Look, I'm itching in my hair. I have no dandruff. Nothing coming out. You are a liar. Look.
Hindi mo yan dyan makita. Ganunin mo nga. Ganito. Sundan mo. Oo, yan! Ayaw mo ka talaga akin eh.
I don't have.
Oo!
That's dots, bro. If it was dandruff,
Eh, oh my god, that's not a
Oh
dust.
my, I'm not gonna don't try to say that I'm dandruff because I know.
Ayaw mo kasi maniwala. I-try mo. Ganito nga. Oo, yan. Oh.
I don't have dandruff. You do it. Try. You do it.
At least, meron akong dandruff. At least, aminado ako ikaw. Ayaw mo talaga.
Dandruff is normal. Everyone has dandruff.
Kung sabi mo wala kang dandruff, tapos kayo
I don't. It's not. It's dust in my hair.
Bakit nagdadas?
Aircon.
Tapos, ganun. Try mo ulit. Hindi makita mo sa akin. Oh, ew.
It's so OA, bro.
Bakit sila ganyan? Sige. Yeah!
That's not dandruff, bro.
Ano kumakit na ayaw mo aminin?
I've never had dandruff in my life.
Oh,
I've never.
okay lang no. Oh, lumipad.
You do it. Let's see. It's gonna be Winter Wonderland.
Bakit filter ako? Oh.
You're a cheetah. Sabi mo.
Excuse me, I'm not a cheetah.
Do it. Do it.
Oh.
That's nothing. That was nothing. You didn't even need a lot to come out. Just one drop.
Excuse me, at least ako sinabi ko na may dandruff ako. Ikaw. Last, sige, ulitin mo. Dito ka muna.
Wala.
Ako nga. Ew! Ulitin mo nga.
You do it now.
Bakit ako? Ikaw?
I don't have that job.